Booking a room. Simplified. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, book a room. Whether you're traveling, studying, or just curious about English, understanding this phrase will be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in. Book a room is a phrase used to describe the action of reserving a room. This could be a hotel room, a conference room, or any other type of room that requires a reservation. When you book a room, you are essentially securing it for your use at a specific time and date. This phrase is most commonly used in travel and accommodation contexts. For example, when planning a vacation, you might need to book a room at a hotel. It's also used in professional settings, such as booking a meeting room for a conference or a presentation. Using book a room in a sentence is straightforward. Here are some examples. I need to book a room for my holiday in Paris. Can you help me book a room for the meeting next week? They booked a room at the seaside resort for their anniversary. 1. Is it always about hotels? No, it can refer to any space that requires a reservation. 2. Can I use it for long-term bookings? Yes, it applies to both short-term and long-term reservations. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of book a room. Remember, it's all about reserving a space for your needs. Happy booking and see you in our next English learning adventure.